Satyam Sinha, and from this series we are going to start our first Node.js tutorial, uh, where we will discuss a lot more about Node.js, and making web applications using Node.js in much more descriptive manner. We will walk you through some of the projects also. Uh, I will also show you some of the database stuffs and how to connect with the database, and making our web application standable using Express framework. Okay, simply this tutorial will cover a lot about making websites using JavaScript. As you know, currently JavaScript is doing a lot more than just a front-end language. It has been also using in the back-end part also. Okay, so we can write front-end also in JavaScript and back-end part also in the JavaScript. Okay, so that's why I thought about creating a content, means a full tutorial regarding Node.js, Express, and other React and other topics like that. So in this whole tutorial, I will walk you through creating a MERN stack application. MERN stack means M for Mongoose, E for Express, R for React, and N for Node. So at first, basically, we'll start with the Express, then we'll go through line by line. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss uh, that what are the tools, what are the softwares required in order to make node applications like express websites like that. Like every other framework or something like that, we need some kind of setup in that also. So just open your browser, your favorite browser. Okay. Okay, here, uh, just type here node.js. Node. Okay, node. What is there? Node, and hit enter. In the first website which you can see, node.js.org. Okay, just click that. Here you can see two links to for download. Click on this one, recommended for most of the user. Don't go for this one because it is in the testing mode, maybe in the alpha site, where this may contain some of the bugs. This has been not yet tested, so you recommended this one, so download that. I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it, but you take time and download it. And installation process is quite simple, just text I agree, and then okay. After downloading it, you should check it that whether it has downloaded correctly or not. So for that, open your command prompt and type here node, hit enter. If it isn't showing any kind of error, then you're good to go. Node is installed successfully on your computer. Okay, after installing node, uh, we have to install some more things like express sorry uh, like MongoDB. Okay, because we can use cloud also, but to installing MongoDB in a local environment will be much more better, because we can test it locally also. Okay, so for that, install MongoDB. MongoDB. Here it is. Here it is. Click there and click on the cloud. Sorry, software. Here's community server. Download community server. Just too much, but you can download that community server. And just select the OS, which OS you want to download. Windows, Ubuntu, which is quite available for every OS, I think. Then select the package, that which type of package you want to download. Just select your Windows, which type package, MSI or zip. You can select your desired choice and then hit download. It will download it for you. Okay, I have already downloaded that also, so I'm not going to download it, and just save it and install it. Okay, to check whether it is downloaded or not, just open your command prompt and click here and hit your Mongo. If it doesn't shows any error and shows something like this, then you are good to go and it is installed successfully in your computer. Okay, but there may be one problem arise. Maybe your Mongo should give some kind of error. Should fix that. Open your MongoDB installation location. Okay, just like that, and maybe I've installed it in. Yeah, here I installed MongoDB here. Just click that, go to the server 4.2 in the bin and copy that path over here. Okay, just copy that. Okay, and go to your this PC. Okay, or just type environmental, like edit environment available, and you will get like that, edit system environment available, and click that. Now here, just click here, environmental variables, and go to path. Okay, and then click edit. Here you have to click here new and just paste that here, whatever path you have. But one more, but I already have added that path in my environmental variable, so I don't need to do so, but you go ahead and do that and click OK. It will do it for you. Okay, but I'm going to delete that. Okay, and then click OK. Again click OK. All done, you are good to go. Okay, now your mode in Mongo is successfully installed and uh, node is also successfully installed. Now one more thing you need to install, that is Robo 3D. Okay, which is a GUI version of a Node.js application like Robo 3D. 3D. Hit enter. Here is a Robo 3D free open source MongoDB GUI like that. Click here. Go for download Robo 3D only. It has two versions, namely download Robo 3D Studio or Robo 3D only. Go for Robo 3D because it's paid one, but it's quite a good one also because it has too much features like my database and many other things like that. But we are going for Robo 3D because it is free one. Okay, and the free it has providing so much information for all of us. Okay, so go for Robo 3D. Okay, okay, after installing that, you are good to go. Now you can use all of such things and for developing our Node.js application. Other more thing that you need to require is a code editor. In this, my recommendation is use Visual Studio Code, but you can choose anyone. You can use Sublime also, but I prefer using Visual Studio Code. Okay, just click here and use Visual Studio Code. And click here. It is a very nice interface and too much extension available, so which makes our life little much easier. So I prefer using Visual Studio Code. Okay, click there and download that. Download stable build and it will download it for you. And so that's it for this video. You got to know that how to download Node.js applications. Okay, and how to set up Node.js environment. If you have any problem, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply you all. Okay, thanks for watching this video.